down, we go.
Imagine a factory stopping because of not getting any workers, plus there are too many workers who don't know how to get any job. The contractors and the placement offices exploit them by charging 50% of the salary, and the contractors make them work overtime. So we have a solution for both factories and workers named JEEVIKAA. So we went to the industrial areas of Rozgaar like Bhagwanpur, Sehgal, and Raatsa. We talked to the 50 plus factory owners and managers. We also even talked to the workers of Bhagwanpur Industrial Association, and we found this is a problem.
We help factories find workers directly. We give them untrained, half-trained, full-trained
Workers, we check their skills to make sure that they're good. Even if they leave or take a break, we provide another worker as soon as possible. Here is more. Factories can use our website to post vacancies. We can hire workers as per the skills they require. And we're not only solving the workers' problem, we're solving problems of factories and workers step by step. So, how do we do it? Factory plans in yearly basis, based on the number of workers they hire from us. We take care of everything, check skills, new workers. So, guys, we are stopping the fake resumes, cheating, and exploitation of workers by contractors. Factories get the workers they need, and workers get fair jobs. Join us, India's workers and factories need it. We are ready to make it happen.
गाइस क्योंकि अब आने वाले 4-5 साल में ये इतना लुक हो जाएगा, हमें भी IIT से ग्रेजुएट करने के बाद भी जॉब मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा नहीं, तो हम भी अपनी वेबसाइट का यूज करेंगे.
This is our website. This is in the final stage. It will take 10 more days to make it, so factories can visit and select the workers as per their need, and workers can also apply for job.